The PS who spoke in Nakuru said that he would visit the school later today, describing the incident as heartbreaking to the entire country.
On Saturday, we lost 5 children, 5 candidates in a school in Wasingishu Arap Moi Primary School. As teachers and as all of us and as parents, I think we would want to take a minute to remember and pray for those children, to remember and pray for the parents, and say that it was an unfortunate incident. It did happen. I'm straight headed to that school this morning from this particular function, but I would want all of us to observe a minute of silence in honor of these children.
And Defense Cabinet Secretary Eden Duale says the integrity of national examinations must be protected as the national primary examination